In this lesson you will be learning about how to record a payment transaction using Entution Accounting and Finance solution. Let us get started. Once you are on the Entution Accounting and Finance homepage, you can see the Payment Voucher Advice tile. You can click this to open a new Outbound Payment Advice form. You can begin typing a short description related to this payment voucher advice for your future reference. We will then select the payment method, currency and tax options from the Payment Details section. Once you have selected the payment details, we can proceed to select the GL account relevant to this transaction, using the GL account lookup option. For this transaction, let us search for salary, and select Staff Salary Advance. Now as you have selected the GL account, enter a description for future reference, and add the amount of this transaction. You can always add more records to this transaction if necessary, and also remove any records. Proceed to checkout, which will update and finalize the total amount. Now we shall draft the form. To make any changes to the data, you may use the edit option. If everything looks good, and there appears nothing to be changed, go ahead and release the form. Notice the change in the status of the document, from draft to released. Now what is left to complete this transaction is to convert this payment voucher advice into an outbound payment. We can do so by clicking on Action, and selecting the Convert to Outbound Payment option. This will open a new GL receipt form. You will need to update the mandatory fields, which are marked with a red asterisk sign. Amazing! Now we will proceed to the Details tab to finalize the payment. Select the payment entry, then Checkout, to finalize the total amount. Let us now proceed to draft the document. You could always use the edit option before releasing. Once you release, a new GL entry will be added to the system. In order to check the GL entry you just created, simply go to Action, and select Journal. Perfect. Now you know how to record a payment transaction, add GL accounts to the transaction, convert the payment voucher into an outbound payment, and once completed, how to check the journal for the GL entry. In the next couple of lessons you will be learning about handling credit and debit memos using Entution Accounting and Finance solution.